Crypto volatility is definitely picking up today, and as you can see, Zcash is doing just fine. Bouncing off some recent lows around $300 per coin a couple of days ago, it is already back up to $370. Now, it was actually doing even better, sitting at $404, and unfortunately, Bitcoin fell off the side of a little cliff, Ethereum as well, and Zcash is down now from its highs, or its intraday highs, on the day so far. We're going to be talking about it in the video today because a recovery could be underway, and bulls may push the price back up to $500 this weekend. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching this video. With that being said, however, YouTube has recently changed their cryptocurrency policy. Now, what they are allowing is general discussions about cryptocurrency, NFTs, and other assets. Now, what they are not allowing, right? Videos that promise guaranteed returns on investments, whether it's a gambling site or so on. You can't violate other communities. Guys, nothing in this video is a recommendation, a promotion, a promise, a guarantee, even a suggestion, okay? We are simply discussing what is going on. Yes, I'm going to be talking about some of the latest news. Yes, I'm going to be talking about price action. Yes, we're going to be talking about some new coins and places that you can buy, sell, swap crypto and so on, but do not take it as a recommendation for you to act upon. With that, YouTube wants you to ask somebody, financial advisor, your mother, your father. I have no idea who they want you to ask. Just make sure you go through the proper channels so that you can appease YouTube in everything that you do. Now, let's talk about Zcash and what's happening here. It says, will the bulls push the Zcash price back up to $500 by this weekend? Traders are turning increasingly bullish on Zcash after a wave of short liquidations wiped out bearish positions over the last few hours, signaling a potential trend reversal. Zcash is witnessing a sharp shift in sentiment. That's not easy to say. As traders quickly flip bullish following a wave of short liquidations that hit the market over the last few hours. The sudden unwind of bearish positions has injected fresh upside momentum into ZEC, or Zcash, lifting expectations that the privacy token may be preparing for a short-term price rally. Now, the bullish shift is here. It says in the last 12 hours, Zcash's price has faced the third largest short liquidation after Bitcoin and Ethereum. Zcash's latest upswing began when a cluster of short positions were wiped out within a tight trading window, creating a classic short squeeze effect. This forced bearish traders to exit their positions at the market price, adding buy-side pressure that accelerated the reversal. The Zcash liquidations have hit over $5.3 million in the last 12 hours and over $7 million in the last 24 hours. It says, following the squeeze, Zcash's momentum indicators have begun to stabilize and turn higher. Buying volume has increased on major spot exchanges. The RSI is recovering from oversold zones. Short-term exponential moving averages are beginning to flatten. And of course, market depth shows improved buy-side or bid-side liquidity compared to earlier in the week. And with that, we are watching the price turn green over the last couple of days. Now, coming up on these 5- and 6-day moving averages, we have crossed through. Ran into a little resistance on the 10 and 12-day moving averages, and we have yet to see the 20 and 30-day moving averages. So knowing this, Zcash is beginning to form what looks like a bottom. Now, $500 is not that far away. As a matter of fact, that's the 30-day moving average here, and it would be something that Zcash would need to test in order to see the next leg higher or a potential rebound and recovery to the fresh highs that we hit just about a month ago. Now, I choose to accumulate in current times like these. When people are fearful, I am buying. When people are extremely greedy, I am selling. Now, that does not mean that you have to follow that strategy. Absolutely not. Follow whatever strategy works best for you. But if you are interested in accumulating, one of the places that you can do so is on the blockchain, and that's through a wallet like Best Wallet. You get a link for this down in the description below if you want to check it out. It's absolutely free on the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, and that link down there is going to pull you up to the correct wallet on the correct App Store. With that, you guys have your access to the blockchain in an absolutely free manner. I am also diversifying my portfolio. And one of the tokens that I have chosen to diversify into is Bitcoin Hyper. These guys have raised $29 million in the last couple of months, and the next stage of the ICO begins in 1 hour and 34 minutes. People have been pouring into Bitcoin Hyper because they're building a layer 2 blockchain for Bitcoin. The way it's going to work is you're going to bridge over from Bitcoin to Bitcoin Hyper. You're going to be able to transact within your instant finality. It's utilizing zero knowledge proofs, sends that info back to Bitcoin, and when you're ready to withdraw, you simply initiate the request, and of course you can withdraw over back to your Bitcoin layer 1. They've got 16,000+ followers, 16,600 followers out on their X account, and they're doing a fantastic job of growing their community and growing their ICO. So if you guys are interested, you got links for all of this information down in the description below. You can check it out for yourself. You can learn. Let me know what you end up deciding to do. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.